Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by choosing a focused prompt and a single constraint to sharpen choices. This mirrors Jane Maday's discipline. Start now. Name a color, a mood, or a 15-minute window and gather a sketchbook plus one medium. Once done, write one opening line declaring what you intend to explore and why, short, honest, and specific. This orients your eye and hand, reduces decision fatigue, and creates a small contract with yourself, so you actually make an image or entry rather. You now build momentum by layering practice with observation. Start with 2 quick observational sketches to warm your eye, then switch to one expressive page where you exaggerate color, line, or texture. Once done, add 3 layers: a fast contour, a light value or color wash, and a finishing detail. This creates depth and keeps you learning. Make sure to annotate each spread with one sentence about what surprised you or what technique you want to explore next, so the journal becomes a learning record. You finish each session by summarizing and reflecting, which turns activity into progress. Write one concise sentence about the outcome and spend 1 to 2 minutes noting what worked and what to try next. Then date the pages and mark a single idea to revisit. If you hit a block, don't force it. Reduce the task to 5 minutes, change tool, or strip back to line only. This reset prevents avoidance and keeps your practice sustainable. That troubleshooting habit preserves creative momentum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.